Now we will see different times and speeds. If you see the ECG paper, it is made up of two types of boxes. One are separated by thick lines and are large boxes. Others are separated by thin lines and are small boxes. What you have to remember is that speed of the ECG paper is such that one large square is equal to 0.20 seconds or 200 milliseconds, while each small square is equal to 0.04 seconds or 40 milliseconds. These values are what you have to remember. So if one large scale is 0.2 seconds, 5 large scales will make 1 second. And in 1 minute, 5 into 60, 300 large scales will be there. So the speed of the ECG paper is such that in 1 minute 300 large scale passes. Here we have large boxes and an ECG paper is made here. These are two ECG waves on it. These are R waves and this is RR interval. For those ECGs in which rhythm is regular, we can measure the heart rate from RR interval. 300 is the magic number here and it is the formula. Heart rate is equal to 300 divided by RR interval large boxes, which means number of large boxes that are present in one RR interval. For example, if this is an R wave and this is an R wave, then we can count the number of large boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 large boxes, so 300 divided by 5, the heart rate will become 60. For quick memorization, we can see this table. If there is one large box between two RR intervals, then the heart rate will be 300. If there are two large boxes between RR interval, then the rate will be 150. If there are 3 large boxes in an RR interval, then the rate will be 100. Similarly, for 4, 5 and 6, the heart rates will be 75, 60 and 50. So we can calculate the heart rate of regular rhythm ECG by calculating the RR interval, by seeing how much large boxes are there in RR interval. That's one formula for calculating the heart rate. Normal PR interval is 3 to 5 small squares or 0.12 to 0.2 seconds or 120 to 200 milliseconds. This is because one small scale is 0.04 seconds, so 3 small scale will be 0.12 seconds. If the PR interval is less than this, then it might show that electrical excitation is starting nearer to the AV node instead of from SA node. Similarly, normal QRS complex is equal to 3 small squares or 0.12 seconds. If it is widened or more than it, then it may show some conduction problems in the heart, etc. So these sum up our time and speed section.